Welcome everyone. Today's session will be dedicated to uncovering the essential components of infrastructure design and considerations for an enterprise-grade infrastructure solutions. Most common infrastructure components for running an application are network, compute, and storage. Let's start with the network. It's the digital highway systems of our applications, comprising local networks, network cards, routers, and switches. Imagine these as roads and intersections, with data traveling at the speed of light. Next, we have compute. This is the brain of our operation, where the central processing unit or CPU and memory come together to execute our business logic that empowers our digital experiences. Next, we have storage. Think of it as the libraries of the digital world, where all data is cataloged and kept safe. For example, databases. They record every transaction. Together, these components form the trinity of our digital infrastructure. As we navigate through each component of AWS infrastructure in our workshop series, we'll be thoroughly exploring a spectrum of design considerations vital for a robust containerized environment. Here is a preview of the dimensions we'll cover for every infrastructure element. Security. We'll dive into best practices to safeguard our infrastructure, from IAM roles and security groups to network ACLs and compliance standards. We'll ensure you have the knowledge to protect your resources and data effectively. Scalability. Scaling your infrastructure to meet demands is critical. We'll examine strategies like auto-scaling, load balancing, and the use of elastic services that adjust to your workload requirements dynamically. Performance. High-performing systems are key to a successful application. We'll look at optimizing resource allocation, choosing the right instance types, and configuring your services to ensure peak operational efficiency. Cost effectiveness. Controlling costs without compromising on quality is a fine balance. We will incorporate cost optimization techniques wherever possible. Availability. Your application needs to be up and running at all times. We will explore the deployment across multiple availability zones, failover strategies, and the implementation of redundant systems to ensure continuous service. Observability. Visibility into your operations is essential for troubleshooting and performance tuning. We'll cover monitoring, logging, and tracing tools that AWS provides, like CloudWatch, X-Ray, etc. Auditability. Keeping track of changes and ensuring regulatory compliance is non-negotiable. We'll review how to implement governance, risk management, and compliance protocols, along with using AWS services like CloudTrail for logging and auditing. Each session is structured to give you a comprehensive understanding and practical experience with AWS, ensuring you design and implement an infrastructure that conforms to best practices.